Hello viewers, today I have bought this Robustrian glass protector for my OnePlus Pad Lite. I have bought this from Amazon.in at a price point of 350 rupees. Though the MRP of this product is around 1.5k, but you will get this at 349 rupees. Watch this video till the end so that you will have a clearer idea how the glass is. And after watching this video, if you are satisfied with this product, you can purchase this product by the link that I have provided in the description below. The quality of the glass seems to be very good and it is very polished. This is a wet paper. You can use this paper to wipe out the dust on the screen. Then you have to use this little cloth to wipe out the wetness on the screen. At the time of installing the glass, there were dust particles on the screen, as a result of which you can see that two areas are there which have bubbles inside the screen. Immediately I checked the screen, but it did not create any problem. At the time of using the screen, you cannot notice this bubble. However, it is there, but after few hours when I checked the screen, the bubbles became smaller, and after few days I think these will disappear. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.